Discover the power of inversion. Mastering subject-verb inversion in interrogative sentences. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into the intriguing world of interrogative sentences. We'll particularly focus on a special aspect known as subject-verb inversion. It's a crucial topic in English grammar, and understanding it can greatly enhance your sentence structure skills. So, let's get started. Subject-verb inversion is a fascinating part of English grammar where the subject and verb swap their usual places in a sentence. This change mainly occurs in interrogative sentences and is instrumental in turning a statement into a question. Consider this statement: you are learning English. Now, if we want to turn this into a question, we invert the subject and verb. Are you learning English? In English, we primarily use inversion in interrogative sentences, conditional clauses, and after certain adverbs or adverb phrases. Let's look at a few examples. 1. She can play the guitar. 2. Can she play the guitar? 2. If I were you, I would study. 2. Were I you, I would study. Remember, inversion isn't applicable in every scenario. For example, when a question includes a question word such as who, what, where, etc., the inversion applies to the auxiliary verb and subject, not the question word. Like, what are you doing? Here, what is not part of the inversion. In most interrogative sentences, we usually place an auxiliary verb before the subject. Auxiliary verbs include be, do, have, and modal verbs like can, should, might, etc. For example, 1. They are going to the concert. 2. Are they going to the concert? 2. He can speak Spanish. 2. Can he speak Spanish? If a sentence does not have an auxiliary verb, we use do, does, or did to form a question. For example, 1. She likes pizza. 2. Does she like pizza? 2. They knew the answer. 2. Did they know the answer? Though subject-verb inversion is a common practice in English grammar, it's not always used in questions. For example, in subject questions, where the who or what is the subject of the sentence, we don't use inversion. For instance, 1. Who wants ice cream? Not, who does want ice cream? 2. What happened here? Not, what did happen here? That wraps up our detailed exploration of subject-verb inversion in English grammar. Understanding inversion and knowing when to apply it will help you form accurate and natural-sounding questions. Keep practicing, and soon, it will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. Tune in next time for more grammar insights. Happy learning, everyone!